Hello, namaste, welcome to Greet Tarot. So, how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing good. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, if you like the content, please give it a like, subscribe, comment, or a share. Or if you have already subscribed my channel, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the support, guys. So, in the description, I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, please go ahead and give it a follow. Okay, and the decks that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed down in the description, so if you want any info about it, check it. Okay, so the pick a card for today is urgent spirit messages for you. So what you need to know at this time, so that is going to be the reading for today. So we have three groups. So this is for group number one, this purple lotus. Okay, then we have for group number two, we have this white color lotus, and for group number three, we have this red one. So close your eyes, relax your mind, connect with yourself, let go of all the worries, don't think anything, and just relax, completely let go, and then select a photo that calls to you. Okay, if you want more time, please take that time and then only select one. Okay, so remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. So in the description I will be providing the timestamps also, so just go and click on that and watch your video. Okay, like watch your pile. So yeah, so purple, white and red, so take your time. Okay, and I'm gonna go with group number one. Okay, hello group one, if you choose this purple lotus, then this is your reading. So the first message I'm getting with this purple color is that you're growing spiritually. Okay, many of you are transforming yourself from inside. Okay, so in the past you were like more, you focused more on your outer beauty, you didn't focus that much on your inner self. I feel this pile is like more now you're more focusing on your inner well-being, your emotional well-being, your mental well-being, and that is very good. Okay, you're transforming, and spirit wants you to know that you're doing good. I'm getting here, that is also so, but spirit wants you to know that you need to balance your spirituality and practicality. That is what I'm getting here. So for some of you, when you're like doing things by yourself, you don't ask for help, you try to do everything by yourself. Okay, so it's okay to ask help. That is what I'm getting here. Ask help, you can ask help from divine also, or other people, they might help you. So you have like a little problem. For some of you, I feel like that you don't ask for help, you try to do everything by yourself. So don't do that. Okay, it takes a toll on your health. I'm getting that vibe, so you need to concentrate on that also. You need to focus on your health also, I'm getting here. So don't try to do everything by yourself, ask for help. That is the first message coming here. Okay, and yes, you're shining from I feel for many of you, you are getting into this meditation. If you are, I'm feeling like you're changing completely your perception about the things. Maybe this 2020 have taught you a lot about yourself, your own self, what you want from life, what you want to achieve from life, your dreams. I feel like that finally you're like, yes, I want to do this and I'm gonna go for it. Before I feel like you were so fearful about the things, what people will say, what society will say, but right now like you are like, yes, I want to do this. We have all, like, this is the life we have and we have to enjoy it, and we should like go for our own dreams, follow our own dreams. Maybe because I feel this pile is like getting wiser. Okay, you're getting a lot of downloads from the divine, so maybe that's why you're completely changing your perception about things. I'm getting that vibe here. Okay, we have this lotus here also. We have the rainbow. So the worst part is over. The divine is saying worst part is over. Okay, now it's like the time to shine. You're inward, you're shining from inside. I'm getting this hermit mode also. Maybe for some of you have spent a lot of quality time by yourself and working on your inner growth. I'm getting here. So you are expanding, things are changing for you. We have 14 number, 1 plus 4 is 5. Things are changing. You're more, and we have the rainbows here, so you're moving towards positive change. Okay, and we have this wolf here. So I'm getting here with this wolf they are very clever, so you don't know where you're going. Maybe you're taking a new path and you don't know, it's unknown, something unknown, you know, it's new and you don't know where you're going. But just enjoy the journey. I'm getting with this wolf. Okay, you will find the way, you know, doors will open, opportunities will come. Okay, for you guys, you don't have to worry about anything, just follow that path. Okay, and for some of you, definitely you are leaders. I'm getting, you're born leaders, you're meant to lead other people, you're meant to show the path to other people. I'm getting here. Okay, that is also coming through here. Okay, for some of you, you need to go to a beach, relax, have fun, meditate. You know, you will get a lot of downloads from the divine. That is also I'm getting here. Okay, or maybe you need to connect to Mother Earth, Gaia. Yeah, that is also coming through here. Yeah, light a candle. If you can't go out, just light a candle, sit with yourself, meditate. That will bring you a lot of peace. Whenever you're like in a lot of fear-based energy, just do that. Okay, it will give you a lot of peace. And remember, you're clever, you're very, very clever people, you're very intelligent. With this wolf, I'm getting that. Okay, and you know, wolf are like, they go in packs, I think, right? So yeah, you're also, I feel you will form a community where you will be helping other people, you will be guiding other people, you will be showing them their way or something like that. Okay, you're connecting with different people. Maybe your community will have, you know, different kind of people from all parts of the world, you know, coming together for a same cause. You know, that kind of energy I'm getting here. Doing something for the society. For many of you, you will have, with the spirituality, you'll be doing something for the society, giving to Mother Earth or something like that. Very big higher purpose. Maybe for some of you, aligning with your higher purpose. Okay, with the spirituality, you're knowing what you're meant to do and going with, you know, for some of you, definitely you're changing your career or something like that. Or for maybe some of you, you are like like opening up your, you know, maybe you're sharing your experiences with other people, or forming a community where other people can share their opinions, and all of you are coming together. That kind of energy is also coming here. Anyways, I see positive change coming here. Spirit is saying positive changes are coming. You have endured a lot, you have changed a lot. I feel like that this pile has changed a lot, transformed a lot. Okay, and you're doing good. Okay, so yeah, so what do you need to surrender? So okay, so Spirit, tell me what they need to surrender, what group 1 needs to surrender. Thank you. Oh my God. Okay, surrender to your addiction. And what we have, surrender to your full power. Okay, yeah, you're born leaders, you're meant to lead other people. You need to surrender to your full power, and something is stopping you. It may be your addiction to something. Surrender to silence. Okay, you need to sit with yourself. You know, as I said, maybe sometimes you have problem like balancing your own time. You know, maybe you don't get time for meditating because you're so busy with your day-to-day life. So you need to make a routine where you can balance your day-to-day activities, as well as some time you can manage for give priority to your meditation also. I'm getting here, spend some time with yourself, go in nature, connect with yourself, just walk around. You can just walk around if you don't want to meditate, but don't take your phone. Okay, don't take your phone, anything, just you and the nature. Just connect. If you have a garden, just go around, take a round, you know, walk with it, smell the roses if you have that roses or something like that. Just you, and just don't take anything, don't talk to anyone, just some time with yourself is needed here. Or for some of you, definitely there is something you are addicted to. Maybe it can be a substance, it can be a relationship, and that is not good for you, and that is taking away your power. Okay, so you need to connect with yourself, set some time, sit in silence, connect with yourself. You are gonna get your answers. What is this addiction, what you need to let go. So definitely something is there that is blocking your success, is your own addiction to something, or someone is addicted to you. They you know, you need to take your power back. Maybe they are, some people, some relationship might be toxic. You need to get out of it because you are not coming in your full power because of this addiction. Okay, so that needs to go here. That is the thing. And connect with yourself. When you spend some time with yourself, you will know what you need to do, and you will be in your full power. So that is what you have, this power, you have this leadership quality, but you're not taking it out completely because of this addiction to someone, something, or maybe some people are like toxic to you. You need to let go of them. Okay, so something is not good for you. Okay, that is what it's coming through. You need to balance your you need to balance that. That is what I'm getting. So something is like hindering your path, and that is not good. This addiction is definitely, and because of this addiction you're not coming in your full power. So that is what you need to let go here. And I think you know what is that, right? You need to work on that. What else, divine? What is the message they want to know? Group number 1. Okay, this needs to come out. I'll take this one. Romance. Okay, lavish the one you love with personal attention and affection. Okay, so for some of you, definitely, maybe, as I said, you need to balance, your day-to-day activities, your meditation. For some of you, you are getting into the solitude energy. So for some of you, I feel you are connecting with people and you're not meditating, you're not working on your spirituality. And for other people, you are like meditating, you're working on yourself, inner peace, but you are like not, you're so immersed, you're working with yourself, you're like in this solitude energy where you're not connecting with your partner. If you have a partner, you're not connecting. If you're single, you're not like putting yourself out, or you're not spending quality time with your family or something like that. For some of you, you're definitely like in this solitude mode, in this hermit mode. So I feel like that you need to get out and spend some quality time with your spouse. If you have a spouse, spend some quality time with them. If you have children, spend some quality time with them. Have fun. Okay, go out and have fun. That is also important. Give some attention. I feel sometimes we get so busy in our own world. As for some of you, definitely you are in the spiritual journey. For some of you, you're so in your spiritual journey that you're not giving time to others. So you need to give some time to other people also. They're craving for it. I'm getting here. Okay, you need to give them some attention and affection. Even if it's your children or your spouse or your friends, it can be romantic thing also. If you're single, you need to put yourself out there and go with it. So I'm getting there. You see, for some of it, definitely you are in this solitude mode that you're not coming out and spending time with other people. So you need to do that also. 2 different messages. For some of you, you are like just not focusing on your spirituality, and for some of you, you're focusing so much that you're not connecting with other people. So that is what is coming here. You need to make a balance between these. Okay, spirituality and your day-to-day lives. Okay, so let's see what else. Yeah, voice of truth. Yeah, in this community, as I said, you're forming a community where people will be sharing their own truth. You will be sharing your own truth, where you will be where people will be coming together for one cause or something like that. Is I'm getting here. So don't be afraid to share your voice. Don't be afraid to speak your truth. That is what I'm getting here. So if you're in a toxic relationship, come out and speak your truth. Get out of that relationship. If something is not, if something is stopping you, and this is addiction, right? It can be social media also, where you are just focusing on other people. You need to get out of it. Okay, you need to work on yourself. For some of you, definitely it's that. And for some of you, you're working so much, you're spending a lot of time in solitude. So you need to come out, talk with people, talk to people. That is also I'm getting here. Okay, anyways, stand strong, focus on your purpose, release the fear of persecution, and speak your truth. So yeah, you're fearful. For some of you, you have a lot of fear inside you. Maybe your addiction is your own fear, or you're so addicted to fear that you don't come out and speak your truth. Okay, you need to come in your full power. That is what I'm getting. You need to speak your truth, and when you speak your truth, there will be people, there will be divine helping you. Okay, so that is what I'm getting here. I'm sorry for the sound. Okay, so yeah, let's see what else for my group number 1. Trust. Yeah, you need to, with this purple color, your intuition is growing. For some of you, because of this addiction or something, you're not able to hear your intuition properly. You're not able to trust it. You know what you want, but you're not able to trust it because there is a lot of fear-based energy. So you need to get out of this fear-based energy. You need to let go of that fear, get into silence, and then you will recognize your own power. Okay, so for some of you definitely. And if you're for the ones who have been focusing on their self, spending spending time in your spirituality, you just need to trust your own intuition. Go with your heart, because that will lead you to success. Okay, I accept that my inner voice will always guide me correctly. Okay, so trust your inner voice. These people who have been spending so much time with them, working on themselves, being isolated or something like that. Okay, so you have been like, for two groups here in this pile. One is like they're not working on their spirituality, and the other group is like not connecting with other people. They're doing everything by themselves, not connecting with their spouse, because they're focusing on their spirituality a lot. You need to trust yourself. Or maybe that you need to these people, that you need to spend quality time with other people, so you need to listen to your heart. Okay, listen to your inner voice, completely trust your inner voice. So you can completely, for some of you have problem listening to your inner voice, because you're so in your head, so in your fear. So you need to let go of that, and that can only go with surrendering yourself to silence, connecting with yourself, coming into your full power, and then taking action about it. Okay, and when you do that, you will get support from the divine. And if you are, as I said, if you are in a toxic relationship, you need to speak your truth. Don't be afraid. Okay, spirit is saying to speak your truth no matter what. Don't be afraid of anything, because they will guide you. So if your heart is saying that saying to you, just you need to get out of the situation, then just get out of that situation. Just trust your gut feeling here. Okay, oh my god, so many cards. Wait, but definitely your intuition is getting stronger. Okay, many of you, like, we have this Archangel Metatron, clear vision, 6th chakra, 3rd eye chakra. Yeah, for many of you are working on your spirituality a lot, and you are opening up your 3rd eye, your crown chakra is activated. You're getting a clear picture here. You can trust your intuition completely here. Okay, and because of that, you will be leading other people also. For some of you, definitely you need to get into silence, connect with yourself, and you will be able to know your answers. You will get a clear picture here. Okay, you need to trust that. You need to trust your intuition here. For some of you, definitely you have problem trusting your intuition here. Okay, Archangel Metatron, you can call upon Archangel Metatron. He will show you the path. Okay, and with this 4 number, you're going to be stable. You're going to be you don't have to worry about, sometimes we worry about what if other people will say this, what you don't have to worry about anything. Don't worry about that. Just speak your truth and get out of it, because with this addiction here, I feel like this thing is like a very big obstacle in your life. It's your own fear. It can be a person, that what it is. You need to let go of that completely and come in your full power. It is not easy, definitely it is not easy. You have to work a lot. You have to be very courageous. You will feel a lot of emotions also. It's not easy, you will feel, but you need to get out of it. But when you connect with yourself, you will get the idea. They will show you the path, what you need to do. Okay, so that is what you need to surrender to silence. And when you surrender to silence, when you connect with yourself, you will see the clear picture. And many of you have done that, okay, already. And that is also, I'm getting it. As I said, there are like 2 groups here itself. One is like they have already surrendered to the divine. They have this clear picture. They just need to trust and follow that path. And for some of you, you need to do that. Okay, and this for some of you definitely have surrendered to this addiction. That is what I'm getting. You are moving to your full power, and you're doing good. You're forming a community where you will be leading other people. And for some of you, you are in this process of surrendering to your addiction. You need to do that. You need to let go of that relationship that is not working for you, the job that is not working for you, and come in your own full power, because you're meant, I feel, for this while there is a higher purpose for you guys. Okay, you're not meant to do this. You're not meant to live your life this way, with the fear. You're meant to be in your full power, very wise people, and you're meant to speak your truth without fear. Okay, that is what I'm getting here for you guys, like different messages, because so take what resonates, guys. Okay, so let's see what is your last card here with this affirmations. We will end the reading. Okay, we got 2 cards here. Group number 1, yeah, my healing is already in process. So yeah, for many of you are healing, you're trusting your intuition. Okay, so, and for some of you, this this affirmation might help. Maybe you're healing from your own addiction. For some of you, you need to heal from you'll be healing from your own addiction, maybe your own fear, maybe your past hurts, maybe your failures, you're afraid of failures, maybe it can be an alcohol, it can be anything, it can be anything, you know. So yeah, my healing is already in process. So my willingness to forgive begins my healing process. Yes, you need to forgive the people, what they did to you. You need to forgive your past. You need to forgive yourself for your own mistakes, right? Okay, and move forward with your life. That is when healing will start. And yes, you are in a process of healing. So yeah, you need to let go of that addictions, let go of that relationship, let go of that career that is not working for you, that makes you uncomfortable, suffocated. You know, that is the word I'm getting here. You feel suffocated in that environment. You need to take that step. You need to, I feel you are in this process of working on that. I feel like that. Yeah, many of you are working, because we have the 7 number also, right? So yeah. So I feel many of you are working, you are in this process. So yes, continue that, keep doing that, and I feel you are this born leaders here. You're meant to lead other people. So yeah, you'll not be there, okay? This is just temporary. This is, you know, for many of you, you are learning your lessons also here. Your karma is balancing. That is also I'm getting. So Spirit wants you to know that just surrender to that addiction. Just let go of that thing. And yes, forgive people. Forgive yourself and move forward. Okay, so I allow the love from my own heart to wash through me, cleansing and healing every part of my body. I know I am worth healing. You are worth it. Okay, you are worthy. You are different. You're not meant to live a life with fear. You're meant to be very courageous. That is what Spirit wants you to know, that you're meant to follow your heart and go with it, and that will give you a lot of success. You're going to be, I feel for this pile, there is going to be a partnership also, where you will be feeling very supported, an equal relationship. If you didn't have that kind of relationship in the past, I feel like that you will get that kind of relationship if you're single. And if you're already, I feel like you need to spend more quality time with them, because you're not spending that much time with them. You're not giving time to them. For some of you, definitely you're not giving that time, so you need to give them time also. I'm getting that also. I release all fears and doubts. Look, so for many of you, this addiction can be your own fear also. Yeah, and doubt about yourself. Self-doubt is like sabotaging yourself, getting in your own way. That can be the thing, you know. So yeah, I release all fears and doubts. Just say that. Just write down, I release all fears and doubts. And when you do that, look at this butterfly. That is when you transform. That is when you glow. That is when you change your life, right? That is what I'm getting here. You will change your life when you trust yourself. When you get confident with this yellow color, you trust your own intuition, trust your own heart, and move forward. That is when you transform. That is when you glow. That is when you shine from inside. I accept myself and create peace in my mind and heart. I now choose to free myself from all destructive fears and doubt. So my God, that is like, fear is like something that stops us from doing the thing we actually want to do. Maybe for some of you, it can be a simple thing, you know. You might have recorded a YouTube video and you're like, no, I can't post this, what will other people say? And that fear, because of that fear, you will not post it, you know. It's time to let go of that fear. It's you know, let go of, it can be anything, you know. Let go of that self-doubt and just put it out. Okay, don't fear, be confident. That is what Divine wants you to know. I am loved and I'm safe. You're loved and you're safe. When you do that, you know, you will gain your confidence. More confidence will come. Just, you know, just show the world who you are. Speak your truth. You know, speak about your experiences. Let go of your past. Move into your own power. That is what Divine wants you to know. And this can be attained only through silence, through meditation. When you connect with yourself, you'll be able to know all your answers, because you're meant to lead. That is the thing I'm getting. Born leaders you are, okay? That's it. But you don't know your potential because of your own fear and self-doubt, right? So yeah, take care guys. Bye-bye. Group number 2, if you chose this white lotus, I feel this pile is gonna shine. That is what is coming through first message here. You're gonna shine from inside and out. Look at that. Look at the shiny things, you know. You're gonna glow. You're going to be very beautiful. You're very beautiful, Spirit is saying. Okay, remember that you're beautiful from inside and out. And I feel you need to let go of that ego here. Okay, if you have some, you know, if you need to work on that, you need to work on that ego. Okay, that is also I'm getting here, because that might be an obstacle for you guys. Maybe for some of you it's your own fear that is stopping you. Okay, and yeah, you are coming in your power. It's like a purity, maybe for some of you, you have you know, the innocence. You're gaining back your innocence, when you're a child, you have like, you're so innocent, you do things your own way. So that is what is coming through for you guys. You're going to do things your own way. You're not going to be worrying about other people, what they have to say. You're going to be in that kind of power where you, like, if someone is giving you that negative vibe, you're like, oh, it's okay. I you know, if someone has, like, if you wear a dress, for example, if you wear a dress and someone like, oh, that is not looking good on you, and you'll be like, okay, it's your perception, I don't care, because I do look good, I love myself in this dress. So that emotion, you know, that negative emotion of that person is not going to affect you in any form. That is what I'm getting, because that is your power. That is what I feel that you will be in your own power here. That is what I'm getting here. Okay, and yes, for many of you, you are working on your mind. I'm getting, your reprogramming your subconscious mind. I'm getting that. For some of you, you have to do that also, because maybe you have certain limited beliefs about yourself that might stop you from your success. So you need to work on that also. I'm getting here. Okay, maybe about money, maybe about yourself. You know, I feel you're letting go of that. That is what is coming through. Okay, you're letting go of, you're getting into your own power. I'm getting here. Okay, and the first card we have this, you know, power awakening. Yes, you're getting into your power. That is what I'm getting here. You're coming in your own power. No one, you know, sometimes other people negativity will affect us. You know, in the past, maybe if someone said something to you, you might get hurt, and you will be like, oh, why this happened? Or if someone says that you don't look good, you'll be like, oh, I don't look good. You'll believe in them, right? And you'll be like so sad. So now it's like you are not believing in them. You're like, oh, it's their negative, it's them, it's not me, it's their own energy, I don't have to take that kind of energy I'm getting here. You are in your own power. You know, you're not getting into that. You are, I feel this spell is going to believe in, you're going to believe in yourself, you're going to believe in in the universe, and you're going to work with the universe. And yes, that is what I'm getting here. You're going to be in your own power, and yes, you got this. That is what I'm getting. You got this. Okay, whatever you want to do, you will achieve in your life. That is what I'm getting here. Don't be scared. Okay, don't be scared of other people's opinions. That is where you're gaining your power also. You're not going to be scared of other people's opinions. You're going to do the things your way, and that is going to be very, very successful, because you are kind, you're compassionate, you're working on your ego. Yeah, I'm getting this motherly energy finally. Yeah, motherly energy is also coming here. Even if you're male, or it doesn't matter here. You know, you're very kind, you're very compassionate, at the same time you're in power, and that's beautiful, right? Okay. That is what I'm getting. You're not going to be rude or arrogant to anyone, but you will take your power, you will take your stand. Anyone else's negative emotions is not going to affect you anymore. You're going to be in your power. And with this 3 number, you're expanding, you're growing your consciousness, and yeah, beautiful, right? Okay, your mind, body, soul is like, I'm getting that vibe here, is aligning. You are aligning with your universe, you are aligning with the spirit, you are aligning with your own soul purpose, and you're loving yourself. You're gaining your innocence back. I'm getting here. So let's see what else you need to surrender. Okay, and remember, you got this. Whatever you're doing, keep on doing, because you got this. Everything will be okay. Okay, that is also I'm getting here. So let's see what else Spirit wants you to know. What do you need to surrender? What do you need to let go of? What? Okay, surrender to your intuition. Okay, so yeah, your intuition is correct. Okay, just listen to your intuition. Trust your intuition. For some of you, definitely have problem trusting your intuition, because you will be like, why this is very crazy idea, how can I do this? Maybe you get your inspiration from your inspiration out of nowhere, and you will be like, oh, will this work out? You know, like that kind of energy where you're like doubting your own intuition. Don't doubt, just go with it, because that is gonna give you a lot of success in your life. So surrender to your intuition, trust your intuition, trust yourself completely. because I feel many of you are letting go of that ego. You're working on that. You have worked on your inner self. You have worked on your shadow self. I'm getting here. So yeah, it's time to listen. Surrender to that intuition. Just listen to your intuition. That is what I'm getting. Surrender, denial. Okay. Okay. Maybe for some of you in the past, you have seen a lot of failures or something like that. Maybe people have denied you or something like that. So yeah, you have so you need to surrender that. You don't have to come to other people's expectation. You don't have to do that. Okay. Maybe yeah, you are afraid of failures or something like that. Maybe that's why you're not trusting your intuition. So what if if I go to this path, if I fail, what if, that kind of energy, you need to surrender that what if also. Just follow your bliss, follow your passion. Maybe you have a passion right now, you want to do this, and you're like, oh, if I get, if will I be able to make it? What if I fail? Just let go of that. Maybe for some of you, you are like, if you want a relationship in your life, you're not coming out because you're like afraid of denial or something. You feel that you're not beautiful enough, you're not attractive enough, people will not accept you. That kind of energy you need to let go of, because in the past, it might be because of your past. But yeah, I see that you will surrender to that, and for some of you, definitely you need to surrender that. Okay. Even if someone is not accepting you, it's okay. You need to be in your power. It's their energy. You need to let go of that. Okay. Surrender completely to your intuition, because that is going to lead you to a path of success. That is what I'm getting here. Power. Surrender to your own power. Yeah, surrender to spirit. It's time to surrender to spirit, because you definitely have a spirit connection here. Trust the spirit. Surrender to miracles. Okay, look at that. So miracles are gonna happen, but you are like, I feel for this bile, you have a lot of limited beliefs that is, in the when you're a child, you have so much of limited beliefs that this much only you can make in your life. You will not have that much wealth, you will not have that much abundance. No, that is all our limited beliefs. You need to let go of that limited beliefs, also surrender. And you need to remember that miracles happen. You need to know that miracles happen. Believe in miracles and it will come to you, because this pile is like, when you surrender to divine, when you surrender completely to your intuition, things are gonna happen for you guys, and it will be magical for you guys. So spirit is saying, just surrender to spirit. Everything is gonna be okay for you guys, and whatever your passion is, just follow that. Whatever your intuition is, just follow that. Okay, don't question your intuition here, because things are gonna happen. Don't be afraid of failures. That is what I'm getting here. Just be in your power. What else? Yeah, we got here. Have patience. Love is patient and kind always. Okay, so yeah, for some of you, definitely you need to have patience. Okay, so maybe you are working, you have been working on your inner self, you're doing things, you're passionate about something, and it is not coming. And you're like, when is this gonna come? Why it's not coming? I have been working for so long. Why? And you're like, and because of that, maybe you have problem surrendering to the spirit. So they're saying, be patient, surrender to us, surrender to spirit. Spirit is saying, surrender to spirit, surrender to the intuition. Just trust your intuition. You know that things are gonna come, right? But you are like, oh, when it's gonna come? And then you will doubt. Don't doubt. Just surrender that. Okay, don't doubt yourself. Be patient, because love is also patient. You have to be patient. I feel this pile needs patience. Everything is coming. You're very close also. I'm feeling like that. You're very close, but everything is coming. But you need to be more patient. I feel the lesson you're learning is about patience. You need to be patient. That is what I'm getting here. Everything is good. Okay. Look, there's this I don't know why I'm feeling look, these two look so similar for like. This is a lotus kind, and we have this energy here. So be patient here, guys. You're blooming, you're glowing, everything is happening for you. It's the correct time. Everything is going good. All is well. They are saying be patient. Well, let's see. I feel because you're impatient, that is why you have problem to surrender to the spirit completely. You're very impatient. Okay, let go of that impatience. Maybe you have waited along, that's why. But you need to wait more. You need to surrender more to the spirit. Oh, look. Oh, Wow, I love seeing this card here. So you have been working on something, you have been praying for something, you have been manifesting for something, and Krishna is listening to all your prayers. This energy is with you. He's helping you in your spiritual development. He's helping you with everything, and yes, your prayers have been answered, they have been recognized. So just be patient, guys. Everything is working in your favor, everything is all is well, but you have to learn certain lessons. You have to learn the patience. You have to learn patience also. So this energy is definitely with you. Okay, so remember that Krishna, if you believe in him, definitely this energy is with you. Even if you don't believe, this energy is with you. They are guiding you, they are protecting you. Maybe you have this peacock feather. You have seen some peacock feathers, and it is like, if you have seen it somewhere, if you see, like when you scroll through YouTube, you see this. Yeah, they are telling, he's telling that yes, he is with you, they are guiding you. You are being recognized, your prayers have been recognized. Okay, yeah, that is what I'm getting. You have been recognized. Be patient, be patient. That is, I'm feeling for this pile, you're learning that, to be patient. You have worked hard a lot. I feel like this pile have worked out a lot. You have worked on your inner self, you're following your passion, you're coming into your own power also, I'm getting here. But sometimes you fear, you overthink, you don't trust your intuition. So that is why you get impatient. So you need to work on that. Spirit is saying, be patient. Everything is working in your own favor. Don't worry. What else? Yeah, courage. Yeah, for some of you, it's like about your inner strength. Sometimes I feel for this pile, you are learning that, your inner strength. Because whenever challenges happen, sometimes if challenges happen, we can give up and go back, or we can just fear that, face that challenge and move forward. Okay, sometimes that is what it's happening. Your inner strength is expanding. You're coming in your power. You're going to be very courageous, and you're not afraid of challenges. You're not afraid of failures. Maybe that is the lesson you're learning. Right, in the future you'll be like not afraid of any challenges or any failures. Right now you are afraid of challenges. That is what you need to surrender. You are afraid of failures. What if this doesn't work out? You're like, oh my god, if it doesn't work out, what will I do? Like that kind of energy. That is what I feel. It's taking time, because they are making you learn that. For you, your manifestations will come. I'm sure your manifestations will come, but you need to be patient. You need to learn to be patient. You need to learn to be more courageous. You need to let go of that fear of failures. That is all you're learning. You have to learn certain things, right? Then only you will get it. So yes, you're very close to your manifestations, but definitely you have to do a little bit more. So yeah, you will get your manifestations, but be patient. Yeah, that is what I'm feeling here for you guys. They are teaching you a lot of things, a lot of lessons to learn. Patience is a major lesson, I guess. And to be more courageous, and to be more confident in yourself, in your own. Maybe for some of you, you do something and you doubt it. So that is, in the future you're not going to doubt. Look, envy. Okay, you don't have to compare yourself to anyone. That is also, if you're comparing, stop that energy is not working for you. And for some of you, I feel like that there in the future there will be people envying you, because you're going to be very, very glowing. You're going to be very, very beautiful. Okay, you're going to achieve a lot of success. So there will be people who will be very they will be envying you, but you don't have to worry. You are protected also, I'm getting. Maybe you need to just protect yourself also. That is also, I'm getting here that energy. But if you are envying right now anyone, if you're comparing yourself to anyone, oh, they got this, I didn't get it now also. Yeah, and because of that, maybe you're getting very impatient about that. Okay, don't get impatient. Don't compare. Okay, so that is, you have to learn that also. Don't compare yourself to anyone else, because you are beautiful the way you are unique. You have that power inside you, and you have that intuitive power also. So believe in miracles, believe in yourself, surrender to the spirit, surrender to Lord Krishna, because he is helping you with your devotion. You have been praying for this and you will get it, but you have to learn certain lessons. Okay, that is what is happening here. So yeah, pile 2, you are close, you are close to your manifestation, but like last bit of lesson is happening, I'm getting here. Divine is testing you, something like that, I don't know, but definitely something you have to learn to be patient. Impatience is not gonna work. Failure, doubting failure, or what, that kind of energy is also not gonna work for you guys. You need to let go of that, you need to work on that. That is the last bit you need to work on, I'm getting here. So let's see, you have worked a lot already, but little more. Okay, yeah, I love and approve of myself. For some of you, definitely you need to approve yourself. Okay, so yeah, for some of you, you need to be confident in yourself. That is what you have to learn. Confident in you, confident in your own beauty. That is what you are learning, I'm getting here. So yeah, Spirit is saying yes, you will. You are beautiful the way you are. You need to let go of that fear that you're not beautiful enough, you're not good enough. That is what you're learning, to be more courageous, to be more confident. And when you will be like in that power, when you will surrender to the divine, you will not doubt yourself, you will not doubt about anything, about failures, denial, anything. That is when your manifestation is gonna come. That is what Spirit have for you. I'm feeling like that kind. So yeah, I appreciate all that I do. I'm good enough just as I am. I speak up for myself. I ask for what I want. I claim my power. Like, yeah, it's like power. You have done a lot of things, but little more. That is what I'm getting here. Little more patience, little more, don't be afraid of failures. And when you let go of that, completely surrender to the divine, things are going to manifest for you guys, for sure. So you are doing good. You have done a lot of work though, but yeah, a little more. Okay, so we got 2 more cards here, LP. If you want this, if you feel you want this, just take a screenshot of this affirmation. All my relationships are harmonious. Beautiful. Look, when we create harmony in our minds and hearts, we will find it in our lives. The inner creates the outer. Yeah, always the inner creates the outer. Yeah. And look, what I was talking about, uniqueness. I accept my uniqueness. In the past, maybe you were that kind of introvert person who didn't like crowd. You were different, and people used to say, you're different, why are you like this? And because of that, you had problem. You were trying to fit in so much, but now it's like divine is saying, you don't have to fit in. You're the best the way you are. You need to accept yourself. I feel this pile I've accepted a lot, like little bit more. Maybe yeah, you need to work on that. I accept my uniqueness. There is no competition and no comparison. Okay, definitely you are comparing. For some of you, you're definitely comparing yourself to others. No need. For we are all different and meant to be that way. I'm special and wonderful. I love myself. This affirmation will help you a lot, guys. I was talking about that comparison. Maybe you're comparing. If you're a YouTuber, for example, if you're a YouTuber, you might be comparing to the people who create same stuff like you or something like that, and you're like, oh God, they reached this much, why I'm not there yet? That kind of energy you need to let go. Okay, you need to work on yourself. Be unique about yourself. You don't have to compare. You don't have to do some the things that other people are doing. You do something that is creative. Listen to your intuition and do that. Okay, even if it sounds crazy, just trust your intuition, because I feel that will give you a lot of success here. Okay, so divine is with you. You have Lord Krishna here helping you with your own spirituality, your devotion, your passion, whatever it is. Even if it's your relationship, even if it's with self-love, he's helping you. So you don't have to worry about it. You're going to be more courageous in the future. I see you as like a powerful being who is in their power, who doesn't care about what other people negativity. Even if you know who you are. That is what I'm getting. You know who you are, who you're meant to be, and nothing is going to affect you. That is what I'm getting here. So you're learning that. So yeah, group number 2, good job. Be patient. Bye pile number 3 is, if you chose this red lotus, then this is your urgent message from Spirit. So with this lotus, the first message I got is like, love your own reflection. Something like that, because there is like reflection here. So I feel like that your Spirit wants you to know that you need to love every inch of your body. I feel like loving your body, accepting your body the way you are. And For some of you, it's your own passion. You need to accept your own passion and go with it, because red is all about passion, love, right? Loving your passion, going with the flow, understanding your body. When you want to take rest, go take rest. If you feel if someone is not good for you, just letting go of them. Okay, something like that, understanding your body. For some of you, I feel like I don't know why I'm getting this clairsentience vibe here. Sometimes you feel things, right? You need to if you see someone and if you don't get a good feeling from them, maybe they are not good for you. You need to trust that. That is also I'm getting here for some of you. And yeah, for some of you, definitely with this red passion, a lot of passion is coming into your life. Definitely spirit wants you to know that. Maybe it's for some of you, your love, you're finding your other half who will be accepting you the way you are, loving your you the way you are, not changing you, not trying to transform you, not saying bad things about your body or something like that. In the past, maybe there were relationship where you were not able to do that, where this person was not accepting the way you are. Maybe they were trying to change you, change your body or something like that. Okay, so this person, I can feel that maybe you're finding your own self. Maybe for some of you, you're loving yourself, accepting yourself the way you are. For some of you, you are finding a person who is like who accepts you for who you are. No, they're not changing you. That kind of relationship also I can see here. But more, I feel that your self image is improving, and yes, you're doing good. But spirit wants you to know that if you are, sometimes things like might be difficult. Sometimes it's difficult to accept yourself, to let go of the people who say bad things. But it's a process. You need to work on that every day. Work on your body positivity every day. I'm getting this message. You love yourself, love your passion. Don't think small about you. Big think for you. Okay, think big. Okay, that is also I'm getting. Think big for you. Okay, don't settle in. Maybe for some of you, you might be like, oh, I have to marry now because my age has gone or something like that. And because of that, you will be like settling with anyone you meet or something like that. Don't do that. It is not going to be fulfilling. Okay, do something that fulfills you. Okay, that is also important. Do something with your heart and love yourself. Okay, the first thing I'm also getting here, you need to accept yourself the way you are. Don't expect anyone else to say good about you. Say good about yourself. Okay, look in the mirror, say good things to you. So self-love is coming here. Okay, yeah, honor the light. So yeah, for some of you, I feel this pile is like light workers pile. You're meant to give light to other people. That is also, so because of that, maybe for some of you, you will be working on body positivity or something like that. I don't know why I'm getting that, but maybe you're into body positivity, where you have this Instagram account where you'll be giving light to other people, who helping other people to love their body as it is. Because yeah, that is what I'm getting here. Loving, making them love themselves, accepting for who you are, accepting your sexuality, accepting the person you are, and being kind, compassionate, and following your passion, giving them strength. I feel like that. Maybe it's your you have that light. You're like light workers. That is what I'm getting here. With the 7 number, 43, 4 plus 3, 7 number, you're meant to give light to other people. Maybe you are meant to have this path where you will be teaching other people to accept themselves. Yeah, self-love, accepting, making, that is what I'm getting, body positivity. And you have experienced a lot of past hurts. I feel like that with this accepting yourself. Now you are like accepting yourself, and this thing, you will be like you accept yourself. You are accepting your own reflection. You have completely accepted yourself. Now you are going to help other people know their own worth and tell them they are worthy or something like that. That kind of is like I'm getting here. Okay, this vibe here. So let's see what you need to surrender to. Okay, so yeah, this is the hardest part, surrendering. So let's see what is for my group number 1, group number 3. Why I said 1, maybe you need to listen to 1. Okay, so what is for group number 3s? Oh my god, Yeah, surrender worry. Okay, so yes, you need to worry. Maybe you just worry about certain things that is not good for you. Maybe you are like, sometimes we make so many things in our head. So be confident, guys. Surrender that worry, okay? Because you have this light. You're meant to shine your light, okay? So yeah, surrender that worry. So you need to surrender that. You need to work on that. And we got two more cards here. Let's see what is it. Yeah, surrender frustration. We got this red color. Surrender to the wisdom of your body. I told you that, isn't it? Clairsentience, right? To if your body is saying something, listen to that. Maybe your body is giving you messages, right? If you meet someone new, if you're feeling not so good, you're feeling uncomfortable, maybe that is your body giving you some message, like, yeah, don't trust this person. And if you're feeling a very good vibe, maybe this person is good for you. Listen to that. Surrender to that. Listen to your body. If your body is saying, yeah, your body needs rest, go and take rest, okay? If your body is saying something, just listen to that. If your body says you need to exercise, if you're like, go and exercise, that is what I'm getting here. Surrender. Look at the colors also. You got the red color. Surrender frustration, surrender worry. So sometimes you have a lot of frustration. Maybe sometimes people don't understand you or something like that. Your choices, maybe people don't understand your choices. Maybe in relationship that happened for some of you. It's not like maybe in the past in love relationship, you had that frustration, but you need to let go. Maybe that frustration is now also there when some people disrespect you, okay? Maybe say negative things about you or something like that. You get that frustration, so you don't have to worry about that. You need to let go of that frustration, because it's their own negativity. You don't have to accept that. It's their own perception about things. You are completely changing, you are loving yourself, and you're doing good. So you are making other people, you're giving that light to other people, and it's so beautiful, right? Because there are so many people dealing with that, dealing with toxic relationships, dealing with that they're not worthy, that their body is meant to be a certain way, because our society has been showing up like that. So I feel this is what you're meant to do. You're giving light to other people. You're telling, yeah, it's okay to have stretch marks, or it's okay to be fat, but be healthy also. You need to, I feel you will be giving that also, health tips also at the same time. Some people are healthy but they are fat, or whatever it is, but they have problem accepting themselves, and it affects their mental health, okay? So I don't know, I'm getting that vibe here. Or maybe with acceptance, I don't know why I'm getting this body thing. You're like giving light to other people, helping them to accept themselves, whatever the form, whatever you do. I don't know what is your passion, I don't know, but something related to giving light to other people, helping other people, helping other people emotions or something like that. Yeah, but you also have to do that. Sometimes some people don't accept you, or sometimes people give you negative things. You get frustrated with that or get worried about it. So let go of that. Just listen to your body. Because your body is giving you messages. That is what I'm feeling here. Clairsentience vibes are, that may be your gift. So yeah, so you're meant to help other people. You have so much of light to give to other people. Remember that. So if you're doing something like this, if you're, it cannot be body, or it can be body, but it can be something else also. You can be it's like light worker, giving light to other people, giving some guidance to other people, giving some wisdom to other people, helping other people in some sort of a way, okay? Yeah, so you're doing good. So but for some of you need to surrender to that. Maybe you're not listening to your body, okay guys? So some of you definitely you need to listen to your body more and more, because that was giving you some messages. And yes, let go of that frustration. Not everybody needs to know what you have gone through. No, not everybody can understand that, and you have to let go that. You don't have to be frustrated about it, because it's their own journey. You cannot do that. You have to just accept yourself, and just sometimes people will not accept. Even if you do 1,000 of good things, people will just point out that one bad thing and say, there are people like that. So just let go of, you cannot make that. So don't get frustrated on that. I'm getting here, okay? Yes, you're doing it with your heart. You're helping other people. It's not easy to accept, because you have gone through like that much. You have gone through like that in the past. So it's okay. Red, maybe red is like, because you have red lotus, and we have this red color over here. So maybe you're okay. So I'll just shuffle again because too many cards. I just want one card here. So yeah, okay. Red color might be important to you. I'm getting that. Okay. Look, your energy is also like, my god. Wait, I'll just shuffle again. Sorry for that. Oh my god, what is happening? I'm so sorry. Why I'm not even like, what is happening? I'm so sorry for this. Wait a second now, guys. Just one card. Oh, okay, finally we got it. Okay, so let's see. The union of hearts, a love connection. Defies explanation. Yes, I told you, a person might be coming in who will be like loving every inch of your body. They will be accepting you. That is what I'm getting. I told you that, right? And that is what the union of hearts. It's not about the body. It's not about how you look. It's about the heart connection here. So for definitely, if you're in a relationship, if things are going good, if this person is, if you feel this is the one, yes, this relationship's gonna bloom. Look at that. It's gonna bloom. It's gonna give shelter to other people. Maybe you might do something together and it will help so many other people. This is very, if you have doubt about this relationship, if you feel good about this relationship, definitely this person is gonna give you so much of support. And for some of you, definitely I see like someone is coming, and as I said, they will be loving every inch of your body or something like that. That support you will be getting. It is going to be a very beautiful relationship. You will be giving light to them, they will be giving their light to you, like beautiful relationship. Yeah, if you're single, I definitely see. If you're in a relationship and you feel like this is the one, definitely this is gonna grow to a very, very good level I'm getting here. So yeah, wow, that's beautiful. Let's see. Okay, yeah, hope, love and acceptance. You're teaching about love and acceptance only. I feel like that you'll be teaching other people. Now you're accepting yourself, you're loving yourself, and you're very hopeful about the future, right? You're going to teach that to other people. You're going to glow. And yeah, but you don't have to be right all the time, right? You don't have to prove everything to everyone. You can't do that, right? You cannot be everything to everyone also. You have to keep that boundary also, I'm getting here. Okay, you can help, you can help people, but sometimes people will not listen. So you can't do, you can just give the advice. Okay, you do your part and let them do their part, because that's also important. You cannot be everything to everyone. That is what I'm getting here. Okay, love is yours. Recognize your divine worth. Choose loving thoughts. Okay, for some of you, definitely because of this worry and frustration, you might be having this negative thoughts. I'm sorry. Okay, negative thoughts. So maybe sometimes you lack confidence also. So it's important, believe in yourself, choose positive thoughts. You're doing good. Okay, you're doing good. Don't worry about anything. Be hopeful for your future. Everything is working out. Okay, so that is what divine wants you to know. Love and acceptance. But I feel like you're making that, you are, it's like you're giving you're going to give hope to a lot of people, and you will be in a very good example. Maybe you're in this process of learning everything, but in the future, I definitely see you're going to give light to other people. Yes, a lot of light. Patience. Okay, group 2 also got patience. Everyone has to deal with this. It's a very tough thing, right? Accept that everything happens in the divine order. Yeah, everything will happen in the correct time. All is well, guys. But yes, you need to be patient, because don't be so attached to the results. Okay, don't be so attached to the outcome. Don't be so attached to anything. Okay, let go of that. Let go of the timing also. You have to complete this at this time. You have to get at that time. No, let that also go. Have patience. Patience is very important here. You need to have patience. Yeah, that is what divine wants you to know. Have patience. Everything is good. Be hopeful. Have faith. Surrender to the frustration here. Look, yeah, anxiety. We got, yeah, you have the magic within yourself. Why are you anxious about it? Why are you doubting? Maybe you have this frustration. What will other people say, or something like that? If you're doing good, something like that. That is all going to go away, because you have the magic. You have so much of a potential. It's like the magician. You have all the things, all the you know, you have everything that you can make it happen. Okay, you have this divine love also. You need to be patient. Don't get anxious about it. Don't get very don't surrender this worry and frustration. I think this is the thing you need to work on right now. You don't have to worry. Don't get that negative thoughts, because positive thoughts will help you manifest the things you actually want in your life. Maybe because of this impatience and this worry and frustration, it will take more time. Okay, whatever you want to manifest in your life. So it's important to remember that you have this power, you have this magic inside you. You can do whatever you want to do. So please don't get anxious about it. So that is what your spirit has for you, because you are going to get a lot of opportunities, lot of abundance, lot of ways. You will find a way. You will have a solution for everything. Okay, remember that. And anyways, we have 1 + 8 is 9. So this phase of anxiety, worry, frustration is going to end. You will be very hopeful. And this message is like, yeah, be hopeful. You have the light within yourself. You are meant to give light to other people. So you don't have to worry. Let go of that worry. Let go of that frustration and choose, choose loving thoughts. Choose positive thoughts. Be good to yourself. Love yourself. And I know you are loving yourself. You're accepting yourself the way you are. But it's you want to give it to other people also, right? I feel like that, you know, but sometimes people don't accept it, you know. Maybe that makes you very, very frustrated or anxious. So you don't have to give into that. You know, there will be people who will listen to you, who will be very, you know, who will be able to get so much of happiness. They will get a good life because of your own light. You will be giving them so much of light. I feel like that. So don't worry about anything right now. Be patient. Okay, so let's see what are your affirmations that will help you. Let's see. Oh my god. Okay, you got 4 and I'm taking that. So I'll just read it out. Okay, we have 5. Lot of cards. Okay, so I'll shuffle it again, guys. I thought only 4, but it's like, okay, maybe I'll take that. Okay, maybe the spirit wants you to give it, like, okay. Okay, let's see. The point of power is always in the present moment. Okay, for some of you, definitely you are thinking about your future, what will happen this, when. So it's okay to dream about your future, but be in the present moment, guys. Don't sit in the future, don't sit in the past, be in the present moment. That is what the first thing you have to know is, like, okay. Wait a second. Okay, let's see. I'll just read it out for you. The past is over and done and has no power over me. Yeah, the past is over and done. You know, in the past you you had problems. I know that you have gone through a lot, but it's over. It's gone. Now nothing matters. The past is over and done and has no power over me. I can begin to be free in this moment. Today's thought create my future. Today's thought create my future. I am in charge. I now take my own power back. I am safe and I am free. Okay, beautiful. Then I experience love wherever I go. Wherever I go. Experience love wherever I go. Love is everywhere and I am loving and lovable. Loving people fill my life and I find always easily expressing love to others. So if you have problem with love, if you're afraid that if you say something people will give you hate, so don't think like that. Think like this. Yes, wherever you go, love will be there. Do that. Look, my work is deeply fulfilling. Yes, your work is going to fulfill you, fulfill others, give light to others. And yes, that's what it is. Today I give my best to today I give my best to that which I do, knowing that when one experience is complete, I am led to even more fulfilling and rewarding experiences, right? Okay, I am totally advocate for all situations. So I am one with the power and wisdom of the universe. Yeah, you're the one with the wisdom and power of the universe. Okay, connect with your divine. Whenever you are frustrated, whenever you are worried, surrender. Okay, surrender to the divine. Give it to the divine. Give all the things that you can't control to the divine, and let them work. They will work. You just give that. Whatever things you can't control, give it to them. Give it to them and listen to your body, because your body is giving you answers. That is what I'm getting here. Your body will give you the answers, what is good, when you have to take action. Everything you will get through body. Maybe, you need to understand your body. Okay, I'm getting that with this clairsentience. It's like feelings. You have this feelings through your body. I'm getting that kind of vibe, where you feel things. Feelings. Take your feelings, okay? I'm getting that clairsentience, I'm getting that vibe here. Okay, if you want more information about it, please go and Google it. Okay, so I claim this power, and it is easy for me to stand up for myself. Yes, claim your power, guys. You're powerful. You don't have to worry about what other people think of your work or you. Okay, just be in your power and love yourself the way you are, because divine is with you, universe is with you. You are the light worker. You're meant to give light to other people. You're aligning with your soul purpose. So don't get frustrated if people don't understand you. Don't get worried if you think that negative people will come here and say negative things. Just work on yourself, work on these affirmations. It will help you a lot here. I open new doors of life, new doors to life. And don't worry if you will get opportunities, whether you will make it financially. I feel you will get more opportunities. You will be able to make it, whatever you're doing. But at the end of the day, in somehow, some way, you are giving light to other people, and that's a beautiful thing, right? And you will get opportunities, okay, I'm sure. So believe in yourself. Don't let this anxiety take you. Take your own charm that you have, that your own magic you have, because your thoughts are very powerful, guys. So believe in, be positive about that, because that is going to manifest. And if you think about when will it happen, it will take more time. Remember that. Okay, so don't get too attached to the outcome, that I would say here. I rejoice in what I have, and I know that fresh new experiences are always ahead. I greet the new with open arms. I trust life to be wonderful. Okay, so we have this 5 affirmations for you guys. If anything like touches you, take a screenshot, okay? Or yeah, that is what it is. Okay, so bye bye, take care, guys.